Hello, in this video, we will learn about Java class libraries. Java contains an extensive library of pre-written classes you can use in your program. These classes are divided into groups called packages. Packages are means to encapsulate classes, sub-packages, and interfaces. Java uses packages because, first, it makes search and reusing packages and classes easier. It prevents naming conflicts. You can have a class with the same name in two different packages. It provides controlled access as you can specify protected and default access specifier for methods which work within a package. Import keyword is used to import built-in and user-defined packages into your Java source file so that your class can refer to a class that is in another package by directly using its name. These pre-written classes and packages makes the job of programmer easier as he gets extensive utilities to make his work easy, like for example, calculating square root or log or sign of a number. They provide an abstract interface to tasks that would normally depend heavily on the hardware and operating system, like taking an input from the user, printing content on screen. They also help to provide consistent implementation too. A Java library is deployed in a jar file format. Jar or Java archive format is like a zipped file which contains many Java classes and its associated resources such as images, text, etc. into one file to distribute as libraries. These Java class libraries are dynamically loadable libraries that Java application can call at runtime. Some examples of JCL are java.lang. It is always implicitly imported as it contains all the fundamental classes you basically cannot program without. Example, string, double, enum, math, etc. Next is java.util. It has all the collections and data structures which you need to use in your program. Java.math is included in java.lang and provides mathematical expressions and evaluation. Next is java.io, which has the classes for I/O and networking. Next is java.text, which deals with text, dates, etc. In this video, we will take a look at java.math in detail. It provides us with various mathematical functions. Example, a square root function finds the square root of a number and it returns a double type value. Let's look at some more functions which you can use from this library. It has a CBRT function which finds the cube root of a number. Then there is a random function which returns a double value between 0 and 1. Abs returns the absolute value of a number, means it returns positive number of any negative number passed. Here key thing to note is that return data type is same as data type of the argument passed. It has other functions like max, min, ceil, floor, round, etc. Let's write some simple programs using this library. First program we will write is to find the area and perimeter of a circle. Here we will first include the library, then we will write main. Since area of circle is pi r square, we will use double for our area as its result can be in decimal. We will use library function pow to do the calculation in the expression. Here the first number is the base and second is power. For perimeter, we will do the multiplication directly. Another program example is to calculate the compound interest using the given formula. Here too, like above, we will first import the library and then write main, where we will first declare the variables and then form the expressions to calculate the compound interest using the pow library function. Do note the usage of double as the result will be in decimals. Another example is to simulate a dice using random function. Here we will start by exporting the math library, then we will write our main. As we know, random function returns a number between 0 and 1. How do we use it to simulate a dice? A dice returns a number from 1 to 6. So we will multiply the output of random function by the max value we want, which is 6. Then we will convert it into int. Do note that this will give us actually number from 0 to 5. So we will add 1 to the output. With small change in this code, you can generate random number to 10 or any other limit. In our next video, we will learn how to take runtime input from a user.